Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. I received a telephone call concerning a son asking a question about his mother. Before I give you the punchline, if you need to speak with me, if you would like to speak with me, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw. Now, ignore the shuffling, that's the cat. I received a question that from a concerned son. He indicated that his mother was in debt. She was alive. She wanted to plan for her estate, prepare a will, perhaps some other documents. And the son asked me if, in fact, debt was inheritable. So if the mother was, I'm going to make up a number, $12,000 in debt, credit card debt, other obligations, is it possible that that would pass along to her children? So the answer is no, right? Debt, I'll say it like this, sort of dies with the person, right? The non-legal word of sort, S-O-R-T. Now, let me tell you what I mean by that. If a person has debt, it is the obligation of the estate to pay that debt. So if this person was $12,000 in debt and they owned a home, the home and that asset would be used to pay down the debt, that obligation. So if the house was worth $112,000, it would be sold, and $12,000 would go towards the debt to satisfy that debt, and then the $100,000 could be inherited by the children. So, as in many things in the law, there's a circular reasoning. The person, so I said debt dies with the person. Well, if they have no money, if in fact their estate was less than $12,000 in my example, the debt is wiped away. If the person had more than $12,000 in my example, then the debt would be satisfied by the estate, and whatever remained would go to the heirs. So if you have a question for me, please reach out to me, frank@frankbrunolaw. You could take a look at my website for the information that's there, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you very much.